Hi friends, welcome to our channel Civil Estimation. Today we will discuss about some important terminology during the tendering process, the basic terminology like who is the owner, client or company, who is the engineer, architect, engineering consultancy, who is the contractor, who is the project management consultancy. A owner or client company means who intends to a project, who intends to develop a project. Suppose any owner having the some acres of land, then he wants to develop a one project, residential township project, and wants to sell the property. So he will become the owner or client or company. Then once he decided to construct the residential township projects, so and so location, then he have some basic idea. So in this entire area, how many MIG units, medium income group, higher income group HIG and low income LIG units want to construct, he is having idea. Then he will engage one architect. Architect means architect or engineer or any engineering consultancy firm to design this project according to his requirements. So based on the client requirement, that engineer, architect or engineering consultancy firm will prepare the total layout as per the Urban Development Authority concerned Urban Development Authority guidelines, norms that particular country or city standards, local guidelines will follow. Once that layout is finalized, then they will start the individual houses designs. Then they will prepare the project specifications, detailed drawings, working drawings, approved for construction drawings and BOQs. Then you have total general terms and conditions, so detailed scope of work, who is the approved vendors for this project, who is the nominated subcontractors for this project. Like that, they will prepare all the documents and will hand over to the client. So that is calling as the engineer architect, who prepares the design and detailing services for the project. So this topographical survey and soil investigation report done by the company means owner or client. Then the information, that reports provided to the engineer. Engineer will design the project according to that soil investigation report and topographical topographical report. Then this client or company don't have in-house resources to construct this project, to execute this project. Normally every company or client will not take any that much risk. Generally they will give any contractor to construct that project. For that project they will engage one contractor. Contractor means the party contracted by a owner to carry out the work, who execute this project. He will be the contractor. So he will execute that entire project after successful winning. Whoever will winning the project, after winning the project, or we can say after award of the project, that contractor execute the project as per the tender contract agreement drawings. Then one more activity is the PMC. Then to supervise this daily supervise and monitor, and quality wise also, safety wise also, on behalf of the client, client will engage one engineering consultancy, means project management consultancy. They will, on behalf of client, they will check their progress, they will check their bonds, insurances, everything, quality, safety, progress, anything, any lack of progress, how to rectify. So they will conduct the meetings with the contractor on behalf of the client and give the feedback to the company. So that is the project management consultants. Agreement means agreement between the owner and contractor to implement or execution of the project. These are the main terminals, terminology. Project. So what project we are going to develop, the owner wants to going to develop the project. Who is having the land, who intends to develop, he will be called as the owner or client company. Who designs the project, design and detail engineering service from concept to commissioning services, he will be the engineer or architect. Then who will execute the project through the tendering process, that will be the contractor. He will be the contractor. Then who execute the who manage the total entire project on behalf of the owner or client, he will be the project management consultancy. Normally the tender documents or request for tender comprise the following: notice inviting tender means that is instructions to tender. This is by the owner. They will prepare instructions to tender means when they are going to issuing the tender, when is the technical submission date, when is the commercial submission date, how to fill online or offline, what is the qualification, like that. That is the one. Then contract agreement also by owner. Special conditions of contract also by owner. Special contract means normally general contracts prepared by the owner, prepared by the engineer architect. For that any amendments are required, like cement and steel supplied by the owner. Those conditions will keep it in a special conditions and provide. That is also one part of the document. Then general terms and conditions of the contract by engineer, project specification by engineer, project drawings by engineer, bill of quantities by engineer, annexures if any, like any approved project vendors, approved nominated subcontractors, like that. Anything is that they will put it in that annexures as part of tender agreement. I think this is the basic terminology in the tendering process. Thank you very much.